Hello everyone, today let's try to solve this equation 8 divided by 2 next to 1 plus 1. So let's start first with the mistakes, the most common mistakes people are doing when trying to solve this equation. First they do the parentheses, so 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Then they do the multiplication, because here a number next to parentheses, it's also a multiplication. So what they do next is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and in that they do the division. So they get 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. But of course, this approach is not correct. Why this approach is not correct? Because if you remember the order of operation, either PEMDAS or BODMAS, we will use in this example PEMDAS. In this case, P stands for parentheses, and if we have in the expression parentheses, in the entire math problem, parentheses, we must do it in first place. If we have exponents, E stands for exponents, we do it in the second place. Here, we don't have it. Then, in the third place, we do multiplication and division. In the order of operation, multiplication and division, they have equal priority, and they need to be done from left to right. So in this case, what we have here, we have here multiplication and we have here division. So after solving the parentheses, we do first the division and then multiplication, not the other way around. And in the fourth place, if we do addition and or subtraction. So what we have here is we will solve this equation following the order of operation. First, we do what's inside the parentheses. So we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we get 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. Now what we'll do is we have multiplication and we have division. We know that the order is left to right. So in this case, we'll start from left and we'll do it to right. So first we do the division. So we have 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. And we will multiply by 2 and the answer would be 8. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.